Good morning students, welcome you all for online classes. Today we will see the concept of ciphers of the election 1876. So in this election, two members were participated. One is Rutherford versus Samuel J. Tilden, and the popular vote was virtual tie. Okay, after that they have maintained one election commission, that is electoral college, and this electoral college, it determines the winner of the presidency. Okay, when vote was virtual tie. Okay, in electoral college each state sends a delegation, and for almost every state the entire delegation is supposed to vote for the candidate who received the largest number of votes in the particular states. There were 4 states basically, and they went to these 4 states, and total in this commission, total 15 members were appointed to determine which state delegations were legitimate and thus determine the presidency. Okay, and the electoral college commission decided that all 4 states should go to this Rutherford. Okay, and he became president of the United States. Okay, this electoral college commission has decided that Rutherford has became president of United States. Okay, a few months later, reporters discovered a large number of encrypted messages that had been sent from Tilden supporters to officials in the disputed states. Few months later, what will happen? These Tilden supporters, his supporters, okay, he cracked some encrypted messages. What were the messages they have sent during this election? Okay, and the ciphers, they have used that partial code book and plus transposition they have used during the creation of cipher text, and the code book was only applied to the important words. Okay, was a fixed permutation for all messages of a given length, and the allowed messages are the allowed messages length are 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 words, with all messages padded to one of these lengths. Okay, so you can observe this. This is a cipher text and followed by our plain text meaning. Okay, this word has the meaning of greenbacks in plain text. This word has the meaning this, and this word has the meaning this. These all are cipher text, important cipher text, only considered 10. Okay, and in that case what was happened, Warsaw, they read all unchanged last are idiots can't situation. So they have point this kind of ciphertext, okay, during the election. And here the codebook is what? Warsaw and Telegram. In previous video we have seen this Telegram, right? It is based on code, okay. And here transposition or permutations they have used for previous those 10 words: 9, 3, 6, 1, 10, 5, 2, 7, 4 and 8. And this is our ciphertext, and we have convert back into plain text. See here, can't read last telegram, situation unchanged, they are all idiots. So such kind of message they have sent, okay. After some months they have cracked this message. So this is one important concept they have used while during the election of president, okay. And in this case we have observed that weak cipher made worse by reuse of key. And from this we will get the lesson that don't reuse or overuse keys, okay. This is regarding about election which was happened during 1876. So in election time they have also used ciphers, okay. Thank you.